I've been using the Kalshi mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. Kalshi is the first legal and regulated prediction market in the US, allowing users to trade on the outcome of various events, including politics, economics, and culture. The app offers a user-friendly interface, enabling you to buy and sell shares with high liquidity on events ranging from political elections to financial indicators. One of the standout features of Kalshi is its regulatory compliance. It's authorized by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, ensuring a secure and trustworthy trading environment. Additionally, the platform offers competitive interest rates, providing 3.75% APY on all cash balances and positions, allowing your portfolio to grow as you trade. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, some users have reported issues with the mobile interface, finding it less intuitive compared to the desktop version, which can make navigation and executing trades more cumbersome. Additionally, while the platform offers a wide range of markets, it imposes a $25,000 limit on certain trades, which might restrict trading strategies for some users. In terms of customer support, some users have expressed dissatisfaction with the available support options, noting that the primary method of contact is through email, which may not provide the immediate assistance some traders require. Overall, Kalshi offers a unique and regulated platform for trading on event outcomes, providing opportunities for diversification and hedging. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.